So do you ever have those days where people are just annoying? They're just frustrating. They're rude. I mean, basically every day on social media. But some days are worse than others. And today I've had some real special cats. So I'm going to do something. This is a really fun technique that I came up with a while ago. And that helps when you have a day like this. So I'm going to start off with a light face coat. I'm using all mixed media girl pouring paints. This one is garnet, and I'm using this as a base coat because why not? I have it, I like it, and here we go. So I'm just getting a light coverage on this canvas. There we go. You can get your edges now too if you want, or worry about them later. It's totally up to you. Now this is a really important part of this technique. You're going to want to get all of your bottles open and probably pick out the order that you might want them to go in. So I'm using some garnet electric pink, some primary blue. I've got a little bit of canary yellow. That should probably go next to the garnet. And then some white. And just for fun, I'll throw in a little bit of sapphire blue also. So I'm going to put my hand here. This is just really important. You got to really focus. And you're going to be super careful about this. Okay? So hold your fingers as close together as you can. Pour slowly down the side. You don't want your colors to blend too much. And try not to have them leak out of your hand. If you do, it's okay. Don't worry. The technique is not ruined. You can still accomplish it. But this takes some massive skill and practice. So, all right. I'll get that blue in there. Oh, got a little bit of leaking going on. Okay, that's primary blue, sapphire, and I'm going to top it off with a little bit of white. Now, you're going to imagine all of the trolls on Facebook and all your enemies. And there you go. That's called the slap pour. And it's going to give you some really fun reactions. And a gorgeous glove. So, I'm going to tilt this now a bit here. We're going to stretch this fun design out and make sure it's not puddled too much in the corner there. You can tilt as much or as little as you want. Now it helps if you have a nice even base coat for this, which I did not. That's okay. And if you're having a particularly bad day, let's do this. We're gonna go again. Maybe a little less paint on this one. Oh, or some more paint, you know, whatever. All right, you ready? Go in this corner here. I missed the slap. All right, let's tilt again. I'm going to say, guys, if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong. And if this video offends you, this might not be the page for you. I might need a final slap over here. You know what? Actually, let's do this. Just gonna get a little color over there. There are some pretty fun reactions I'm trying not to cover up over here, but it might happen. Let's give this just a little more burn. I'm gonna tilt this way and then tilt back to stretch out some things that I like. There we go. I actually quite like that. So here is the slap pour. I will bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, so here we have the close-up. Don't worry guys, I touched up on my sides. Had some pretty fun reactions here. Definitely the best color combo I've ever done. And there you go. I feel so much better. That was some fantastic therapy. I'll see you guys next time.